This mom kept hearing strange noises coming from her dryer vent every single day, but she had no idea what was hiding inside. As the sounds became louder, she grew suspicious and decided to have the entire vent pipe removed. She even called her neighbor over to help, but whatever was trapped inside refused to come out. They pulled, shook, and tried everything they could think of, but nothing seemed to work. Then the mom came up with one clever idea that changed everything. I'll show you. But first, how much do you love your mom? If she means more to you than anything else, like and subscribe right now. If not, you can simply ignore this video, share it so everyone knows how much she means to you, and drop a heart emoji in the comments for her. Guys, after making it impossible for the animal to stay hidden any longer, a tiny rabbit suddenly popped out of the vent, leaving everyone completely shocked and relieved.